Corban's sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Adventures and Learning. I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing a soap souffle.
So stay
tuned. So we've opened the soap and you see most soap sinks when you put it in the bathtub. Well, this soap floats. I'm going to show you now. We have a bowl of water here and we have the soap.
Wow, it floats. You're right. So Corban, why does the soap float?
This is ivory soap and it has air in it. We've cut the soap into 4 equal pieces and we put them on a dinner plate.
All right. Yep, so we cut the soap. All right, and we'll go to the next step.
Now we're going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute.
Whoa, look at that!
It's oozing out! It's oozing out! If there's soap, we'll play. Let's play with it. This is hot.
Whoa.
So extra grown up.
Yeah, you want to make sure that it cools off before you play with it. Look at that. How does it feel?
It doesn't really feel cold.
Okay.
It feels like a little cold, but when you like feel it, like play with it a little bit, it turns hot.
Oh, okay.
This part, it's like snow. Can't eat it.
No, you can't eat it.
Yeah, and you can still use this soap too. Remember I said this was filled with air? The air bubbles contain water molecules. When the water is heated by the microwave, it turns into gas. And the heat causes the trapped air to expand, and that softens the soap. Now I'm gonna see if it still floats in the water.
It still floats?
Yeah, it's floating.
It still floats.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Remember to subscribe. Mommy, it's raining snow. See you in the next video. Bye. It's working.
It's working. Cool.
Awesome. Welcome to Corban's sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing the upside down glass magic trick. So stay tuned. The first step is to fill a glass halfway with water, just like this. The next step is to get an index card and put it on top of the glass. Now I'm going to take this glass, flip it over, and I'm going to let go of the index card. Go, go, go. It's working!
It's working. Cool.
Awesome!
Look at that.
Oh, so cool!
That is magic.
Yeah, it's magic. Thanks for watching. Bye! And remember to watch all our other videos on Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. Bye! See you in the next video. Bye!